measure. Bam, it's gonna be this area right here. I don't have no intro. I'll edit it, say something else crazy later, so just watch. I'll edit it at the end and put some other stuff that nobody knows what I'm talking about, besides the people that do this. T-shirt press. HTV. It's called a heat transfer vinyl. That's this. Print them out. You can go on Etsy, find somebody that does transfers, HTV transfers. Just put your logo on there as many times. This is a 22 by 12 sheet. That's big. That's 22 by 12. Cut one off. Put whatever you want on there. I'll show you. Get your heat press. I forgot what company got that. I'll put later when I'm done. I don't talk, I just do stuff. Brand new transfer just came in today. F900, Fortune 900. I usually take a black shirt. I already folded it one time, but I'm gonna fold it again. Fold it in half to get the center line. Cause these shirt measurement things, after a while they get hot, they're not straight. So the best way to do it, if you don't have that, is just to fold it in half. I just fold it in half and press it. You have to be able to adjust your temperature. 350 for these particular ones. I put it on 350 for 30 seconds. 30 seconds? Okay. I need to buy an automatic one. If you have the money to get an automatic one, just slide to the side one. That's when you know, but this is what I got. Press it down. When the timer goes off, you take it off. But what I did was fold it in half so you can have a center line right down the middle. Crispy, crispy. Got a line down the middle. See that line? You follow this line down the middle. Some people put them in here flat together like this in there. You can do it facing you, or you can do it the opposite way and open it up. I open mine up so I can adjust the height of it. I don't like to talk, I just like to do it, and then I'll probably put the words in later, I guess. It's basically 4 inches down from the neck. On the 4 inches, then you have that center arrow right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. The center arrow. You line your crease with that. Take your transfer. Some transfers are reverse. This particular one is put on here so that the shiny side is up. So when you release it, these are the ones that you release. you peel after they get cold. So you press it and let it sit. Then when it's cool, you pull it off. Well, that's going down. What I'm gonna do is cut another little one. I'm gonna cut a small one. When I do my small ones, I put them on the sleeve. These right here, I printed out. These are 2 inch by 2 inch. I don't know if you can see that. See, it will stay on there until you peel it. When you peel it, when it gets cool, I fucked up a lot of shirts by putting it on there, and I kept pressing it over and over and over again. Like, how come this shit won't come off? You gotta read the instructions. Now do the same thing for the sleeve. If you want the sleeve right in the middle, you just put your crease on there. Put your crease on there. Don't worry about that smoke. That's part of it too. You see how crispy that is? Now, I'm only doing that so I can put it exactly in the middle of that sleeve. So when you open it up, as that one's going, this one is almost ready to come off because it's cooled down a little bit. You can do it whatever time you feel like it's. If you see it starting to pull up and it's not coming off, then you need to press it again. If you move it and it fucks up, you might as well scrap that one. Start another. You gotta get a big ass box of shirts. Make sure you get your supplies, your sweatshirts, all the types of sweatshirts you can think of, every size t-shirt, because you never know what people need. If you get a little, when the sizes get bigger, those are the guys that got the good money. But nobody can afford to buy a 4X, so y'all niggas need to tighten up. This one is cooling off. Now I gotta pull this one off. Bam! You see that? Now I'll press it one more time. Get it on. I have a cover and coating on it. Basically, it's a heat resistant. It's a heat resistant like a Teflon sheet, but I take one on here. Shout out to Hustle Ninjas and T-Shirt Millionaires. I learned the game from them. I watched their YouTube University. Everything I could afford to do with their courses, I did. That's how I bought this. I bought that according to the stuff that they told me about. Those are the ones. But now it's my turn to show you how I do. Heat resistant. After you pull the transfer sheet out, you do it one more time. temperature 350 was actually 349. Once you're lifting it up and down, it's cooling off. But you can wait till it gets back up to the 350 degrees. And then, but you can make anything. You're still. We didn't do the embroidery ourselves. It's the F900, 14900. Shout out to the Sahar, that's my partner. We came up with something. How about we do this? We practice a lot. That 899 fails and slips and falls, we got back up. So this 900 time, that's about how many times it's gonna take sometimes to get shit right. So get the shit right. Get your fails out the way. Learn that. Learn from that. Crispy, but the light, I need the light on the other side. Wherever you want to put your stuff at, you can put it. But this is the new design. Planet-24.com. Then we have also Fortune900.store. That's some more merchandise on there. Some Billionaires Club. F900. Whenever you see those logos and stuff, you know that's me. I'm still recording. I'm gonna upload this, see how it goes, and then we're gonna go from there. If y'all have any questions, please inbox me, put a comment underneath this. You need to speak up, you need to slow down, you need to get out the way so we can see whatever. This is my first one. I don't got no excuses. This is the way I work. Why do?